to my mommy's channel. Welcome to my mommy's channel, but we're going to a witch party.
Yeah, we're going to a Halloween party.
But just that the air was scary.
Okay, look, that's us.
Yeah, it is kind of like us.
It is. Do you want to say welcome to the video?
Welcome to the video. We're going to do Elsa makeup, and me and Mommy are going to do Elsa makeup right now.
Do you want to tell him what your name is?
My name is Ivy.
Do you want to tell him how old you are?
What's his name? I'm 3.
Yeah. Do you remember when your birthday is?
What?
Say January 16th.
January 16th, and we're going to do makeup.
Should we start on the makeup?
Hey, it's going to be all done, and I'm going to say thank you to the channel.
You are when it's done? You're going to say thank you to the channel? Oh, that'll be perfect. And while we're doing the makeup, should we teach how to do it? Oh, it's just some water.
Oh, don't do that.
Okay, I won't do it. Can I put a little bit of skincare on your face so that the makeup will go on really good? Okay. Say we're using the Miracle Cream.
I like Miracle Cream.
So
this is amazing.
it is.
It's kind of like buzz buzz.
Buzz buzz.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's kind of like that. I can rub it into
Yeah.
my skin.
Good job. Should we do some NARS foundation on you?
Yeah. I like when I do that for myself when we do Elsa makeup.
Oh, I need to let me get a sponge real
we
quick.
can still see it in the movie. Welcome to a channel. Welcome to a channel, Grandpa. We love you, Grandpa.
Do you think Grandpa will watch it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. He will love it, huh?
I love my channel.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Okay, I'll be very careful. I'm just going to put this on your skin.
No, be careful so that doesn't fall off his lip.
Oh, so that it doesn't make a mess and drip off? Okay, I'll be really careful of that too. So do you love to dress up in costumes?
Yeah.
Can you tell them, what were you for Halloween last year?
Kind of Ariel.
Kind of Ariel?
Yeah, but a lot of Ariel.
Lots of Ariel. What was the costume like? What did it look like?
A little bit like mermaids.
Yeah, it was like a mermaid dress, huh? Oh, it's okay. I won't get it in your eyes, I promise.
Well, you did.
Oh, it's okay if it goes like on your eyelids a little bit. Like, see how Mommy puts makeup on her eyelids? Did you wear a red wig when you were Ariel? Do you love wearing wigs?
Yeah.
You do love wearing wigs, huh?
And I love makeup.
Yeah. Did you know that when Mommy found out she was going to have a little girl, so when I found out that you were growing in my tummy, I thought, oh, I wonder if she'll like makeup. And I said, it's okay if she doesn't like makeup. She doesn't have to like the same things Mommy does. But you love makeup, huh?
Yeah, I still love makeup and shows and Spider-Man.
Makeup and shows and Spider-Man? Wow, you're well-rounded. What else do you like to do?
Can you tell me?
Do you like to do things with your daddy?
And my mommy and my sister.
Your sister? What's your sister's name?
Fawn.
How old is she?
1.
Yeah. Is she gonna have a birthday soon and be 2?
And she's going to be older like me soon.
Yeah. Is she your best friend?
But she's only a sister. She's not a friend like Riley is a friend.
Oh yeah, is Briley your best friend?
It's a little bit like a little bit like a makeup channel.
This is a makeup channel. Yeah.
Can we do the lipstick now?
We usually do lipstick more at the end. Usually we do like the foundation, skin stuff, and then we do like the eyeshadow and the cheeks and stuff like that, and eyelashes, and then lipstick more at the end usually. Is that okay with you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of concealer.
I love concealer.
Can you look up to the ceiling? Like pretend there's a Spider-Man up there that you're looking at? I won't get your eyes, I promise. Try to keep looking up at the ceiling. Turn your head toward mommy a little bit. You're doing a great job. You're a great makeup client. Okay, there you go. Now can I put a little bit on your eyelids so that we can do the eyeshadow there? Okay, so now this part, just close your eye, okay? Just close them softly like this, like you're going night-night.
It's got a little bit channels.
It's a little bit channels.
Yeah. What is the name again?
Of our channel?
Yeah.
The channel is called Mary Makeup Artist. Who's Mary Makeup Artist?
Can you tell?
Do you know someone named Mary who's a makeup artist?
You!
Yeah!
We want an Elsa bouncy ball.
You want an Elsa everything, don't you?
Mm-hmm. And the scooter and Elsa bouncy ball inside.
Oh, that would be fun, huh?
If I could be careful not to get inside poop.
Oh, man.
Ah! I just said that to Grandpa.
You're doing a great job. You're starting to look like Elsa already. Can you close your eyes now? Guess what? Now we're going to do the powder.
Powder.
The powder makeup.
But who is it when the makeup starts in the channel? That's called the makeup thing.
It's called a makeup theme.
RCMA. No color power.
Yep, that's what it's called. Do you see the letters? RCMA. You're learning letters, huh?
A, P, C, D, E, N, H, P, L, O, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Good job. Yeah, just keep your eye closed, actually.
One eye.
Sure. Okay, now let's do this side.
This got in my mouth.
Oh, it did, sorry. Uh-oh, you left some fingerprints on your makeup.
Oh no.
It's okay.
Here, let me rub this in just a little bit so I don't be nasty. I saved the day.
Now we got the base on. Do you look like Elsa skin?
Yeah.
Should we do the eyeshadow part now?
Yeah.
Should we use this palette?
Yeah, I think I do want to do it. Because it's rainbowy.
It's rainbow-ly.
Yeah. It's a little bit messy.
Who made it messy?
Me.
Yeah. What do we do when we see something that's not ours that we want to touch?
Yeah.
What do we do?
Clean it up.
Well, first we ask, huh?
Yeah. Yes. This one.
Should we start with that? It's a good choice.
I just didn't get messy when I touched it.
Yeah, just look at mommy and kind of try to relax. You're so pretty. There we go. That's pretty Elsa eyeshadow. Good girl.
This is really pretty.
It is really pretty. And you're really pretty. And you're really nice. And you're really fun. I'm going to do a little bit more. Try not to touch it, okay? Can you open your eyes? Good job. Just relax. Try to relax. Relax your eyes. Close. You're doing great. Okay, can you look up to the ceiling? Look up high, high, high. Good job.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Can you do a little bit of this under?
Ah!
You sit up so that we can see you in the video. There you go. I'm gonna do a little bit of baking. Did you know this is called baking when you do the makeup powder like this? You love baking in the kitchen, huh?
Baking powder is my favorite. Mommy, I love you.
I love you. How about we do some cheeks?
Yeah, I love cheeks.
So at this point, Ivy was just kind of not having it anymore with the makeup. She was just kind of tired of sitting there in the chair and having me do all these things to her face. So I just wanted to keep it a good experience for her. So I whipped out a show for her to watch. No shame there. I went ahead and did a little bit of liquid blush, some highlighter on her cheekbones and her nose and all those different areas to make some Elsa glowy skin. Then we did a half lash, which was actually the perfect size for her little cute eyes. And then I did a liquid lipstick. I wanted to do a liquid lipstick that would dry down matte so that it wouldn't be messy. So that worked out perfect.
This is the makeup and thank you to Jenny. Bye-bye.
Well, should we put on the Elsa dress and the Elsa wig first and show them that and then say goodbye?
Goodbye. Mom, get my makeup off.
No, we won't get it off. Go run that way and it'll show the dress. Okay, now, yep, now turn this way. Now run back. Okay, we're gonna pull your hair back so that we'll be able to put the wig on.
Anna!
You're Anna! Are you gonna wear Anna hair?
Hey.
It's in the top of Ivy's closet. She has been too scared to wear it so far, but maybe she will today. Are you gonna wear a wig?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy will take you to put on a
Put
wig.
your wig on.
Even though Fawn was so cute in her Anna wig, she refused to wear it.
Just fix a couple little spots.
We're looking to the channel because me and Mommy are going to fix my little spots.
Okay, now can you come talk to the camera some more?
Thank you. Thank you, but
Say thank you for watching.
thank you for watching, but what?
Say, have a nice day.
Have a nice day, Grandpa. We'll see you later.
Say, have a nice day, everybody.
Have a nice day, everybody.
Was that your ice power stop?
Mom.